Hi everyone, welcome back to SS Beauty. I'm Sanaya and today's video is extra special because we're talking all about gifting. And with the festive season coming up, I've really decided to step up my game. Every year, I somehow get by with the usual gifting items like wine bottles, chocolate boxes, maybe a scented candle or two. But this time, I've challenged myself to ace the gifting game. So let me make it clear, my friends and family are not easy to please. So let me see if I can pull this one off and let's get right into it. So let's get started with my brother Rishad. This one is specifically interesting and exciting for me because he's a typical finance bro who has time for nothing but his job and his gym. So I specifically curated this box for him. Let's see if he likes his skincare routine. So first up is the Shiseido Clarifying Cleansing Foam. This one would be the perfect start to his day. It's very fresh and it'll leave his skin feeling super good all day. Next up, we have the Shiseido Men Total Revitalizer Light Fluid. I think he's really gonna like this one because of its lightweight and anti-aging properties. He can thank me later for making him look younger. Next up is the Clarins Men Super Moisture Balm. Never underestimate the power of a good moisturizer. So this one definitely has to go in his routine. Then we have the Shiseido Urban Environment Triple Beauty Sun Care Emulsion. I think men are finally catching up to the trend of using SPF, so he's definitely going to appreciate this one. Being a fragrance collector, I don't think his box would be complete without his favorite signature scent. It's the Giordano Oud, a fragrance that feels refined but not too loud, just like him. So here goes. Next we have my childhood BFF Ananta. She's the kind of girl who can party all night, stay up till 2 AM dancing and go to a yoga class the next morning. She's probably the most social person I know and I think this kind of a skincare routine will just be absolutely perfect for her. So first up we have the Lancome Advanced Genifique Serum. This product is a typical cult favorite for a reason. It acts like a mini spa treatment in a bottle. It boosts glow, it acts like a barrier repair and is a multi-benefit product which will be absolutely perfect for her. So this one's definitely going in the box. So next up, we have a really interesting combination for her. This is going to ensure that her makeup looks natural and flawless because she's someone who just does not like to wear heavy makeup. This is the Clarins SOS Primer, which is going to keep her skin completely hydrated and smooth. And then we have the Geology Stay Lively Foundation, which has a skin-loving formula that's just amazing for hydrated and smooth skin. Next up, we have the Lancome Lash Idole Mascara, which gives the most amazing, super fluttery lash look. Next, we have the Geology Love Pool Blush. It gives a perfect sun-kissed look and she can carry it around in her bag at all times. So here goes. Next up, we have the Love Etc. Pout Perfect Lipstick. This is something I've started using recently and she tried to steal mine from me, so I just had to get her her own. Lastly, for finishing touches, we have the fragrance Armani Si Passione. It's romantic, quietly powerful, and it matches her vibe completely. Next up, we have Neha, my free-spirited, nature-loving queen. She adores her clean beauty. She's the kind of person who will read the ingredients on every label and know exactly what goes into every product. Her choices are bold yet very intentional. So I've specially curated this box for her. Let's see if she likes it. First up, we have the Shiseido Ultimune Power Infusing Concentrate. She's really gonna thank me for this one. It strengthens and protects the skin and it's something that's perfect to keep up with her all-day energy. So this one goes straight in. Next up is the Clarins Hydra Essential Cream. I've sneakily seen her eye this one, so I just had to put this one in. This one's perfect for her because it'll leave her skin feeling soft and absolutely supple. There goes Clarins. Next up is the Lancome Teint Idole Ultra Wear Concealer. This gives seamless, breathable coverage and it's absolutely dependable, just like her. Armani Luminous Silk Glow Blush. This gives a glow from within look and the sleek packaging is an absolute plus, so it's a definite must. The Geology Color Delight Lip Fluid. I'm so jealous of her because she can pull off any shade and this is just the perfect one for a day to night transition look. And for the grand finale, YSL Lieb. The fragrance is floral, bold and unapologetically powerful. Next up, we've got my best friend Rima. She's the toughest one to crack. She's a know-it-all and she buys products the day they've landed in the market. So this box is full of classics and I really hope I can impress her this time. First up is the Clarins Double Serum. This is a product that every beauty expert respects, so it cannot go missing from her box. Armani's Luminous Silk Foundation. This is the industry's most loved foundation, so naturally it's got to be hers too. Here's to restocking her collection. YSL All Hours Hyper Bronze. This is a product I've been trying to get her into and I feel the formula is really going to impress her. But wait a second, can we have a moment to admire the packaging? Look at that. Next up is the Armani Eye Tint Shimmer. Just one dot and you're good to go. It's perfect for someone like her who doesn't do much with her eye makeup. The Love Etc. High Glaze Lip Gloss. She just has to have every new product in the market, doesn't she? So this one has to go right in. And of course, I have to save the best for last. Lancome Idole, the perfect floral fragrance. I cannot go wrong with this one. So there we have it, 4 show-stopping personalities and 4 specially curated gift boxes. I'm gonna go give them their boxes and I can't wait to see their reaction. How do you think I did? Tell us in the comments and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more beauty-related content on SS Beauty. Bye, see you!